What's going on YouTube? Austin back with Killshot's Geek Garage. Sorry I had to take a little hiatus, been busy with work, got injured, and we also got a new vehicle which I'll show you in a few minutes. Today I'm going to be replacing the purge valve on my 2014 Ford Focus ST. It's a recall issue where they go in and program it, and if it doesn't fix it, you know, obviously you have major issues. So coming to find out, my purge valve has failed and it's pulling a vacuum on the fuel tank, causing my fuel system to act erratic. So we're going to go on ahead, replace that today, and hopefully get the car fixed. And here is the new 2018 Ford Edge Titanium Edition. Got this for my wife, traded in the Fiesta. Such an awesome vehicle. Goodbye. Hopefully we're going to upgrade to maybe a 3-row later on, but for right now, this has just been a fabulous vehicle for us to have as a family. So this is the Purge Line right here. We're going to be replacing this today. Now it runs all the way from this side of the intake manifold all the way to the back side of the engine over here. So it comes with a new bracket. So you can replace this if you really want to. If not, you can just pull off the old one and then reuse it so you don't have to bolt it off the engine. So if you're going to do it that way, all you truly need is a flathead screwdriver to unbolt the intake pipe and then help you out with the little clips on the end of these and then the connector so that it's easy enough to change out. Shouldn't take you more than 5 to 10 minutes.
What am I doing here? I'm longing for you, dear. If we could look to the stars, maybe life wouldn't be so hard. We were this close to another ending, but too far from the start. Close to another story, but we drifted apart. Oh, I think I lost my way, and no, I'm not okay. And yet I'm begging you to stay. Oh, I think I lost my way. Where am I going now? Will our paths cross somehow? You were always by my side. I hope one day our hearts collide. We were this close to another ending, but too far from the start. We were this close to another story, but we drifted apart. Oh, I think I lost my way, and no, I'm not okay. And yet I'm begging you to stay.
Alright, so the moment of truth to see if it's fixed my vacuum issue going into the fuel tank. We shall see. So here we go, quick startup. looks like the vacuum's going down on it, but obviously I got to let it run for a little bit. Hopefully it fixes itself, so we shall see. So the vacuum is slowly going down on the car, but I'm going to see if there's any more fumes or anything left in the tank. So give me just a second and I'll show you what I'm talking about if it does it. Let me see if I can get this to do the trick. Yeah, so if you heard right there, it let some fumes out of the tank that have been just cooped up in there. Let's go take a look again. It's still going down, so we'll give it some time and hopefully it'll fully recycle itself. Alright, so we're gonna run over to the gas station, put some gas in the car, and hopefully not have that bad starting issue to where the car stalls out and doesn't want to crank up. So let's go ahead and do that, and hopefully everything goes good. Alright, so moment of truth. Going ahead, put that up, close that down, let's go, and hopes and dreams. Alright, moment of truth. Starts with no issues. Usually it takes about 5 to 10 seconds to start right there. Boom, no issues, perfect start. Well, there you have it. We fixed the problem. Car started up perfectly fine. Hopefully I don't run into any more issues while driving on the highway and this car stalling out on me again, because that's the last thing I need in Houston heat and traffic. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Hopefully it helped you out a little bit, understand that this is the problem, not the programming. The programming is a quick solution to it if your purge valve hasn't already failed. If it has failed, then go on ahead and replace it. Ford didn't want to replace it for me. They told me it was going to be an upcharge because the original recall should have fixed the issue. So hopefully, like I said, it helps anybody else out. Quick and easy little replacement, not too difficult. All I used was a Phillips head screwdriver. One of the connections was a little bit of a pain to get to since it was right underneath the intake manifold, but we finally got it off and car's running good now. But I'm gonna head on home, enjoy some Bang energy drinks I just picked up, and I will see you in the next video.